the frame is now completely finished. All of the damage and parts that are broken are repaired and welded. So now it's time to begin with other parts. And in this case I will start with the rear mudguard. So I have installed wheel to check how is looking when everything is on the frame. So this is about how it is gonna look. This is very good replica, as you can see. The part fits perfectly. On this part there was a Bmw R25-2 mudguard, so it is possible that this part is a little bit bent because of this. When I put this to the maximum, there is a gap between, although even with this gap everything looks very nice. So I will maybe need to little bend this up or not, I will see. So I have made it a center, so this is where I need to drill a hole, and then we will see how it looks. So I did need it to bend this part a little bit, maybe 3 to 4 degrees up, and it fit perfectly. So now it's time to install this part. And after that I will need to line up this part and cut it. After that we need to weld this part to the upper part, and then we can install these parts. So this is where the hole is for connecting. So this is how it will look like. And the end of this part will be bent inside and welded, or you can drill holes and connect it like that. So this is the position. Now there are some small gaps. And also there is this problem. This edge here is too close to the mudguard, so once when you install it, it will touch the paint and probably damage paint during the installation. So I will need to grind this part a little bit from this side and also from this side. This is how the end result look like. So the rear end is finally finished. The rear mudguard is completely finished. I will need to make some little weldings, but that's it. This is how it will look. I also received chrome parts that I sent. So this is the parts from the shock absorber. This will go inside. This one here. There is also a problem with the rear wheel. At one point the spoke is hitting into the rear drive housing. Now that could be that this edge is maybe somewhere hit and it is bent, maybe not, but one of the problem are the spokes. They are not original for this model. They are 1 millimeter thicker than they should be, so the thickness of this is 4 millimeter, and only this upper part is 5 millimeter, while this one is 5 millimeter. And also because of that they are a little bit bent. All of these spokes are a little bit bent. And the wheel is not, at least the rim is not properly centered. It is moving a little bit left and right. So the entire wheel needs to be rebuilt. I also noticed when I was installing the axle, there was a difference in the height between this part and this, so the axle would not go easy inside like this. Now the reason for that was here. So this part was bent a little bit down, so I needed to hit this part and pull it a little bit up, maybe 3-4 degrees, and now the axle fits very easy. And also there was a big gap from this side